Good morning, guys. I woke up on time. I had like 5 hours of sleep, mga ganun. And there's this new app that I'm trying out. It's called Sleepbot. It tracks your sleep, your, the movements you make while sleeping, and kung parang basta yung quality ng sleep mo, tinatrack niya. I got this from Bea. So, I've been using it for like 3 days now. Weird nga eh. On time ako nagising ngayon. I mean, di ba sinet ko yung alarm ko on, to something o'clock. Tapos nagising ako before that time. That's so awesome. I'm uploading the vlog. It saved yet last night. Right now, I have to ligo na. Tapos, we have an event pala at 10:30. It's almost 9, so I have to move. Good thing it's only nearby. Mas Murato lang. Murato lang siya. I'm going with Joy Sola. So, it's for Allura Skin Chuvaness. So, yun. Maingay na ang construction. Good morning! In fair, di ba? Medyo nag-V yung fuzz ko. Here at Joyce's studio, ang tagal kong di nakabalik. Outfit of the day, since my full-length mirror si Joyce. This dress is from Trendsetters Bazaar. I'll just have the shop dito. Tapos, yan. Snackers, girl. Snackers. Nakalimutan ko mag-charge ng battery. Buti na lang, na-charge ko naman ng konti. New vlog is up. Na-upload ko na. At tignan nyo si Joyce. Ang galing niyang gumawa ng her. Kaya niyan sa likod. Parang Kim K. I love it, girl.
Di pa
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Sa Relish Happiness.
Anong
Allura Body Contouring.
We're now riding Uber. Joyce, may code ka ba for Uber?
I forgot.
You forgot. Lagay namin sa somewhere over her. You can also use mine. It's Seitioko. Ay, sorry. Uber Seitioko. So, we're heading to Relish na for the event. With Allura. Allura. Body Contouring and Chuvaness. Nakita mo yung binili ko? Ang saya, girl. Ayun, no? Wala lang pang massage lang siya. Day 1. Ayan, girl. 88. Pero may nagsabi sa akin sa comments, nakabili doon siya sa Divisoria, 33 lang. Colorsburgs, ha?
Punta kang Divisoria.
True. Feel ko lahat nandun. We're here! It's, Relish. Hello, Happiness. Bongga. Now here at Relish. Hi, Sam! Joyce! At kahit 30 minutes late kami, hindi pa rin nagsastart.
Early pa rin.
Hi, Jing Baloy. Tama. I'm with Christine. Pedia siya, guys. Hindi ko kailangan yun ng pediatrician. Lunchtime, guys. We have some cake and watermelon. Hi, Ara! Anong favorite mo sa Allura?
Ang favorite ko sa Allura yung thermolysis, kung tawagin nila. Para siyang spaceship. Yun, na nakasona suit ka, higa ka lang.
As in bonggang-bongga.
Bonggang-bongga ang pawis mo, na para kang tumakbo ng mula Quezon City hanggang Parañaque.
Done na yung event. Super bite ni Aramina. I love her so much. We're just waiting for Uber. We're hanging out sa labas. May photo-photo kami ni Joyce.
Hi!
Back home na, guys, and it's already 2. Di ba may clock na ako? 2:30, pero this is advance. Parang mga 10 minutes advance yata to. Ang target ko kasi maka-gym na ako before 3 para mas mura yung gym. Pero natagalan sa event and I have to go to my parents pa. Kasi may titignan kami. So, ay nako, ano ba unahin ko? Mag-film na lang muna ako para dire-diretso. Almost 5:30. Kakatapos ko lang mag-gym. Tapos kinuha ko na lang yung delicious diet sa baba. Kasi wala ako kanina dito. So hungry, guys. So I'm gonna freshen up and then we're gonna do some editing tonight. I think super daming editing. And then I have to sleep early because tomorrow is a big day. It's YouTube day and I'll be part of the panel. Colorsburgs. So I have to review my stuff kasi hindi naman ako pwede diba? Hindi ako pwede mag-bongga-bongga doon. Kailangan proper. Kailangan, Anyway, yeah. Good workout. Skincare time, guys. I have my mask from Hada Bisay and then I'm using my roller. May sumakit dito ko. Siguro kasi kaka-roll kagabi. Sobrahan siguro. So, kukontian ko lang tonight. May nagkakantahan sa labas, karaoke. Parang birthday yata. And I'm just answering emails and editing videos. Tapos kailangan matulog na ako by 10 PM. So, kailangan maka-upload na rin ako. getting some editing done, guys. And I'm so sleepy na. 8:44 pa lang, pero I'm really tired kasi nga, I have to catch up on sleep. So, I'm going to end the vlog. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is gonna be really fun. We're gonna hang out with Will and Bea again. And then, yeah, YouTube day. Bongga. So, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!